Unit 5, Lesson 8, present value of an annuity payment. So to determine the payment amount for the present value of an annuity, we rearrange the formula for R, and we get an equation that looks like this one. P, V, R, I, and N all stand for the same things. What's important to note is we use this formula most commonly for finding the payment amount for the value of an annuity right now. That is to calculate the amount of a loan payment. So this formula is used to figure out how much of a payment you make each month for a loan that you're borrowing now, on an amount of money now. So my examples. Times I over. So determine the regular semi-annual payment that's generated from a 5-year annuity of $5,000 if interest is 3% compounded semi-annually. So the regular semi-annual payment, our present value is $5,000 times the interest, 0.03 divided by 2 because it's compounded semi-annually. And then we've got 1 minus 1 plus our interest. 0.03 divided by 2, and semi-annually for 5 years makes that negative 10. So again, the key to this is to use your calculator. Brackets around the numerator, dividing, and you've already got your brackets in the denominator, and then equals. So we'll take a minute and try our calculator and see if it'll work. So I have gotten $542.17 per month for a month as a monthly payment if you were to have $5,000 right now, 3% semi-annually. Another example, determine the regular monthly payment that's required for a car loan of $16,000 at 5.5% compounded monthly for 4 years. How much interest is paid on this loan? So our payment will be the present value of the loan, which is $16,000, times the interest, 0.055 compounded monthly, so divided by 12, over 1 minus 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12, and we're doing monthly for 4 years, so negative 48. Make sure you get your brackets around the numerator and denominator, and try that on your calculator, and we'll see if we get the same answer. So I have gotten a payment on the car loan of $372.10 per month. How much interest is paid on this loan? So the interest is your total payments minus the amount of the loan. So the amount of the loan is the $16,000 that the car costs. The total payments are $372.10 times 48 months. You're making a payment each month for 48 months. So we have got 48 times 372.10, $17,860.80 minus $16,000 means we're paying over $1,000 to the bank to borrow their money, $1,800.60. Determine the regular monthly payment that's required for a loan of $50,000 at 4.1% compounded monthly for 5 years. How much interest is paid on this loan? So you might need a loan of $50,000 to do a big addition on your house. You might need a loan of $50,000 to buy a car, buy a truck. Let's fill in our formula and figure it out. So the present value, the amount of the loan, is $50,000 times our interest, 0.041 divided by 12, because it's monthly. And then I've got 1 minus 1 0.041 over 12. We're compounding monthly for 5 years, so negative 60. All right, so let's see if we can get the same answer on our calculator. So I've got $923.08 per month. How much interest is paid on this loan? So our interest, we're paying $923.08 for every month for 5 years. So that's 60 times. Take away the $50,000 that was borrowed. So that would be 55,385.5. So we would be paying $5,385.05 in interest only. Okay, so there's some questions for you to try. Again, you need to be familiar with how your calculator works with these formulas.